Alright, as you saw in the previous video, we override a method in subclasses of ours. So here in the animal class that is here, we define a method that is virtual and we said that make a sound. Here in the dog class, we override it and change it to barking for the dog. Also in the cat, we override it to meowing. Now we want to see that if it is possible for us to override it in another subclass of dog here this time, not a subclass of animal. I want a subclass of dog itself. So here in bulldog that we defined previously, I want to override make sound to, I don't know, puffing. You see, it is possible. I got no error. So there is a special key that we can use that we can stop overriding from now on. If we use sealed here in the dog class for make sound, we can't allow other subclasses of dog make changes to this method. So this should be stay right here. So this should be barking. It can't be puffing. So if I start program now, I will get an error. It says cannot override inherited member dog makes sound because it is sealed. Here in the line 80, as you can see, in the bulldog method. But if I remove the sealed here, I can run my program without any error. So you might ask why we don't use sealed here. See, it is not possible. I get no recommendation to use sealed here. I can use it here in the dog. If I use it here, I'll get an error. I will get an error on 939 here in the main animal class. That's why the reason that we get this error because make sound it needed to be override at least once in the subclass. So if you don't override it at least once, you will get an error. And you can't use sealed in the main class itself.